Scott Montgomery from Scope AR. As many of us work from home, connectivity and security systems have never been so critical to our standard of living. Inside the average home right now are a number of devices which we are used to having installed and serviced by field support technicians. But with the current epidemic, technicians aren't able to enter a home to resolve issues due to social distancing. Using the WorkLink application, running on standard handheld devices like phones, iPads, Android tablets, and smartphones, technicians can guide homeowners through almost any process in a live call using simple but powerful annotation tools that stick to the work at hand. Packaged material like images, guides, videos, and even 3D content can also be shown during the call to make sure that the task is done quickly and the technician can focus on the next customer immediately, whether they are working in a call center or out of a service vehicle in the driveway. To find out more about how WorkLink is solving these day-to-day problems, please visit scopear.com.